Hello, 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 hello. Welcome, welcome. Back with another Disney Lorcana Rise of the Floodborn. Let's see if we get any cute cards. Because so far they've been cute. Look. Hypnotized, look at me. Press that like button. We get the rabbit. The reluctant host. Hello, Piglet. Cleaning up, very small animal. We got Merlin, and he is very old and wise. We get Bone, the precious entrepreneur. We get George. Go forward. We get Jafar. We get the Pain, the imp. We get Caterpillar. Rottigan, very large mouse and very dangerous. We get Kronk, the junior chipmunk. And is this the shiny? Yeah. Felicia. Goodbye, Felicia. Always hungry. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please check out the description down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.